Welcome, fellow bakers! Today, we're unlocking the secrets to perfect French macarons. Gather your mise en place. 110 grams almond flour, 110 grams powdered sugar, 110 grams granulated sugar, and 80 grams aged egg whites. Don't forget to like this video if you're ready to master this challenge. First, combine and sift your almond flour and powdered sugar thoroughly. This removes lumps, crucial for that smooth shell. Repeat twice for ultimate finesse. Share this tip with a friend who struggles with lumpy batter. Now for the Italian meringue. In a small pot, combine 110 grams granulated sugar with 30 milliliters water. Heat to precisely 118 degrees Celsius, 244 degrees Fahrenheit, without stirring. Subscribe for more precision baking. As the syrup heats, begin whipping 80 grams egg whites to soft peaks. Once the syrup reaches temperature, slowly pour it into the egg whites while mixing on medium-high until stiff, glossy peaks form and the bowl is cool. Comment your meringue success. Gently fold your sifted dry ingredients into the meringue, adding a touch of gel food coloring if desired. This macaronage is key. Fold until it flows like slow-moving lava off your spatula. Not too stiff, not too runny. Transfer your batter to a piping bag with a round tip. Pipe uniform 3.5 centimeter circles on parchment-lined baking sheets. Tap the trays firmly on your counter twice to release air bubbles. Let them rest for 30 to 60 minutes until a skin forms. They shouldn't stick to your finger. Bake at 145 degrees Celsius, 295 degrees Fahrenheit for 12 to 15 minutes, rotating halfway, until they develop beautiful feet. Patience is a virtue here. Cool completely before gently peeling off the parchment. Fill with your favorite ganache or buttercream. Remember to subscribe for more pro tips. And there you have it, perfect French macarons. You've mastered a true bakery classic. If you loved this tutorial, like, share with a fellow baker, and comment your best flavor combinations below. And don't forget to subscribe for your next culinary adventure.